Linux Mint vs Zorin OS. Which Linux distro is better? Choosing the right Linux distribution is often the deciding factor in whether someone sticks with Linux or retreats back to Windows. Linux Mint and Zorin OS are two of the most recommended distributions for users making the transition away from Windows, and both are designed with accessibility and familiarity at the forefront. Linux Mint is the more established of the two, with a long track record of stability and community support, while Zorin OS focuses heavily on visual polish and making the switch from Windows as seamless as possible. This comparison breaks down how each distribution performs, so you can choose the one that fits your computing needs. Linux Mint is a free open-source operating system built on Ubuntu that has spent over a decade refining its approach to delivering a stable, familiar, and easy-to-use desktop experience. Its Cinnamon desktop environment is the standout addition, offering a traditional layout that feels immediately natural to anyone coming from a Windows background. Mint is known for its conservative approach to updates, prioritizing stability over cutting-edge features, which makes it an excellent choice for users who want a system that just works without surprises. Its software manager is straightforward, its hardware compatibility is broad, and its community is one of the largest and most active in the Linux ecosystem. Linux Mint is best suited for everyday users, beginners, and anyone who wants a reliable and low-maintenance Linux experience without unnecessary complexity. Zorin OS is a free Linux distribution built on Ubuntu that places exceptional emphasis on visual design and the out-of-the-box experience for users switching from Windows or macOS. Its interface is carefully crafted to look and feel familiar, with a layout that closely mirrors the Windows desktop to reduce friction for new users. Zorin OS includes a unique layouts feature in its Pro version that allows users to switch the desktop appearance to resemble Windows 11, Windows 7, macOS, or a traditional Linux desktop, giving users flexibility in how their system feels. The operating system also ships with a polished selection of pre-installed software and pays close attention to visual consistency across the desktop. Zorin OS is best suited for users who prioritize aesthetics, a smooth transition experience from Windows, and a desktop that looks professional right from the first boot. Feature comparison. Linux Mint and Zorin OS are both excellent entry points into Linux, but appeal to slightly different priorities. Mint wins on community support, long-term stability, and overall ecosystem maturity. Zorin OS wins on visual polish, first impressions, and the smoothness of the Windows to Linux transition experience. The right choice depends on whether you prioritize proven reliability or a beautifully designed first experience. Final thoughts? If you want a stable, well-supported, and time-tested Linux distribution that handles everyday computing with minimal fuss, Linux Mint is one of the best choices available for any level of user. If you are switching from Windows and want the most visually polished and familiar feeling Linux experience possible right out of the box, Zorin OS delivers an impressive and welcoming first impression. Both are excellent starting points, and you genuinely cannot go wrong with either one.